Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining me once again. Today we'll be continuing our custom moves, and one of the things we'll be looking at today is how can you manage custom moves. Our learning objective is going to be exporting and importing custom moves. How can we change the order of custom moves, and how can we clone custom moves? Alright, with much further ado, let's dive into the lab. Alright, welcome to the lab section. So I'm going to log in now. Move my coffee down and let's achieve our objective. Yeah, 1 second, it's loading up. Alright, so we're in. So I'm going to go to my rules tab and I'm going to go to my custom rules. Alright, so what we want to do here is to first of all try to ensure that we know how to clone rules. Then secondly, we look at how we can move the order of rules, and thirdly, we're going to look at how you can import and export rules. Alright, so firstly, this ampersand shows that all of these rules are being disabled. I have 16 rules here. Yeah, 16. So I'm going to go back to the first rule, and I'm going to enable, let's say 1 and 9, for example. And what I want to do is I want to move this rule 9 to the top. You see, it moves it to the top. So now this exclamation mark is going to show us why we have that mark. It means the rule is not attached to a DBMS or a DBMS group. Okay, so let me just try and fix that. Click on my edit, and I'm going to apply it to a DBMS group. So my agent, select. My rule is enabled already. Click OK. Do the same thing for this one, and allow it to my DBMS group. Click select and click save. Alright, so we're good to go on that. Now I can still move it back and move it down. So number 2, move it back. Yes, to 5. So the way this order of rule means that McAfee Dam is going to implement these custom rules from the top to the bottom. So if a simple statement doesn't match this first rule, it moves to the second one. If it doesn't match, it moves to the third one until it gets to the last one. If it doesn't match, then it either allows you to scratch it. Alright, so that's what this is basically all about. So that's why the custom rules you need to number them based on your preferences. And that's what that is. Then we can actually clone a particular rule. For example, instead of you creating a rule from scratch, you can code the rule, and then you can actually edit it to suit whatever you want to do. So I can say name is as demo, for example, and then it is applied already, then you can save. So with that, you can actually have any rule and just modify the rule, and instead of you starting the rule from scratch, you can modify the rule and you're good to go on that. Then the third thing to do is we want to export this particular rule as well. And let me just click a rule. For you to export the rule, you need to enable that rule. Enable the rule, then you export the rule. Then you enable. So that rule has been exported. Okay, so what I want to do now is that I'm going to show us how we can import rules. And to do that, I'm going to delete all of the rules I have in my environment. This custom rule, I want to delete all of them. Then I'm going to import the rule. What I've done previously is that I've actually exported all of the rules, and so that's why I'm actually deleting them, so I can show you how you can actually import rules. Sorry. Okay, let me just log out and log back in. I'm going to go back to my rules, custom rules, and let me just delete them again and then once we're done with deletion, we can actually import all the rows, and then we'll be done with this particular lab. Alright, so I've updated all of the rows, and now I can import my rows. And I'm gonna choose the file where I have my rows. I think it's this one. Open and import. Also, it's gonna import, ask me to check my role objects. So I'm gonna allow all the role objects I have none of these rows, and then I do continue. And then we're good to go. So I have all my rows imported back. I have 16 of them. And then I can enable the ones that I want used at the moment. Alright, thank you very much, and have a nice day.